tip though with bait, when it comes to pompano, you want to keep your bait small. A lot of people make the mistake of putting a whole shrimp on. Well, if you look at a pompano's mouth, it's so small that they probably won't be able to fit their whole mouth over that shrimp, and they're going to get frustrated trying and stop trying to bite your bait. So cut it up into smaller pieces. You can use sand fleas. If all you found are big ones, I like the medium-sized ones, but if all I have is a big one, I'll cut it in half. And that way, not only does it release the scent into the water of the sand flea even more, it will be able to fit inside of that pompano's mouth. So keep that in mind when it comes to pompano especially, even whiting. Their mouths are really small, so don't use your bait too big. And if you're finding this information helpful, you'll want to subscribe, because along with these videos for every month of the year, I put other videos out all year long to help you catch more fish from the beach. And we're going to be doing even more videos of different types of fishing too. So if you like to do other kinds of fishing, go ahead and subscribe, because we're going to have some of that content coming at you too.